What fruits do you eat to help you lose weight? Eating a healthy amount of fruit is associated with weight loss. Fruits such as berries, apples, pears, melons and grapefruit are connected to weight loss. Choosing fruits, which are high in fiber and water content, will allow you to eat meals that are the same size as your normal meals while containing fewer calories. While eating fruits can help you lose weight, you will still need to pay attention to the amount of food you consume. It should also be noted that fruit contains high amounts of natural sugar, so people with diabetes should be extra aware of servings and portion sizes. In order to lose weight, you will need to consume less calories than your body uses up during the day. Choosing the right fruits can help you accomplish this goal. Adding fruits to your breakfast. Add fruit to your breakfast bowl while cutting back on the cereal. By adding strawberries or bananas to your breakfast bowl, you will have a tasty breakfast while having less room in your bowl for cereal. Since cereal typically has more calories than fruit, you will be cutting calories while still enjoying a tasty breakfast. Eat oat bran with a peach in the morning. Oat bran is a high-fiber cereal that serves as a great base for fruits such as peaches, bananas, or plums. Pour half a serving of oat bran in a cereal bowl and add 1 serving of fruit such as a peach or a plum. If you prefer corn flakes, you can add 1 serving of fruit to half your normal portion of corn flakes. Eat more berries for breakfast. A longitudinal study found that people who included more berries in their diet were able to lose an average of 1.11 pounds during a 4-year period. Eat more apples and pears at breakfast. Research has found that people who ate more pears and apples over a 4-year period were able to lose on average 1.24 pounds. Choosing fruits for lunch and snacks. Add tomatoes to your wrap or sandwich. Substitute plum or cherry tomatoes for 2 ounces of cheese and 2 ounces of meat in your lunch sandwich or wrap. By cutting high-calorie foods like cheese and meat while adding a low-calorie and high-fiber fruit such as a tomato, you will have a tasty, low-calorie lunch. Eat a fresh lemon Greek salad. A lemon Greek salad will allow you to integrate lemons and tomatoes into your salad. Add 3 cups of romaine lettuce, 1 cup of escarole, 1/4 cup of sliced red onions, 1/4 cup of cubed radishes, and 1 medium tomato in a salad bowl. Make your salad dressing by combining 2 tablespoons, 6 milliliters, of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon, 8 milliliters, of non-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Then, mix the salad dressing with a spoon and pour over the salad. Add raspberries to Greek yogurt for a healthy snack. Add 1 cup of raspberries to a single serving of Greek yogurt and half tablespoon, 7.4 milliliters, of honey. If the yogurt is already sweetened, you can skip the honey. Enjoy a snack of grapes and walnuts. Combine 1 cup of grapes and a handful of walnuts in a bowl, and eat them together. The flavors will balance nicely and they will deliver a good amount of fiber, healthy fats and protein. Creating weight loss dinners with fruit. Make a salad with watermelon, lemon and orange juice. Make a fruit salad with yogurt dressing. Add strawberries to a pasta salad. Look at the composition of your dinner plate. Make sure your dinner plate is small and contains a mix of fresh fruit, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. If your plate is an appropriate size and contains mostly colorful fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains, you are on the right track. However, if you have lots of fruits and vegetables but are still eating too much volume, you will not get anywhere with your weight loss plan.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,